Scott Time, man, 100 King. Neighbor caught on camera killing father and son. You know, he was caught on camera, y'all. You know, CTV undefeated, but you know, that's how you know this people's anxieties. People are losing their nuggets, man. They losing their nuggets. This guy came up the stairs and busting his door open, man. You quit all that yelling in my house. You know what I mean, your house. See, that's what we say, man. I pray my condolences to the family, but you know what? You know what? Pray for the mental. No, you know, that's what I feel. That was all mental.